Hello viewers, I'm Ria Mansi and today I'm here to talk about the various issues being faced by the public like drainage system of ICR and the violation of MRP rules. According to the public concern, it has been observed that many side drain covers or drain grate are either damaged, left uncovered or have broken covers. This negligence is causing significant inconvenience to the public. The open drains emits foul and unpleasant odors, leading to an unhygienic and unhealthy environment in cities. Furthermore, these uncovered drains pose a serious safety hazard, particularly at night time, when visibility is low. There have been increasing concerns about the risk of pedestrians, especially children and elderly, accidentally falling into these drains, which could result in severe injuries. And also you can see the poor maintenance of the drainage system in ICR. Due to the lack of irregular cleaning and upkeep, many drains have become clogged with grass, weeds and accumulated soil. This blockage prevents rainwater from flowing properly to the drainage canals. As a result, during rainfall, water overflows onto the roads, causing severe waterlogging. This not only creates inconvenience for pedestrians and commuters, but also leads to rapid deterioration and damage to the road surface. Therefore, the concerned authorities should take immediate action by inspecting the affected area and ensuring that all the drainages are properly covered or maintained regularly for the smooth flow of water and to prevent potential accidents and health issues. And also we will talk on the matter regarding maximum retail price MRP, which is a major concern in our city where many innocent consumers are being purchasing beyond maximum retail price MRP. According to the Legal Metrology Act, no one is allowed to sell any product above the MRP. Rather, they can sell at a discounted rate. If someone does, it is considered illegal. A consumer can file a complaint in the consumer forum and the seller may face a penalty for violating this rule. That's why all the public must be aware of this rule regarding MRP. However, in our area, many shopkeepers sell products at prices higher than the MRP, which often leads to an argument with the customer. Therefore, to avoid such arguments and to prevent them from escalating further, we even tried to discuss the matter with our DCs, but he completely refused to talk about it and declined to address the issue. As MRP violation is a serious issue in our state, the government should take appropriate steps like conducting awareness program in different areas to protect the innocent public from being cheated and also from illegal activities. That's why the concerned department or authorities should take immediate actions to prevent the violation of MRP and issue an awareness program about MRP rules and regulations for public awareness. That's all for today. Keep watching ATTV for more updates.